Crypto tax in the UK can feel confusing, especially if you use multiple exchanges, DeFi platforms and wallets. HMRC now expects UK investors to keep detailed records, calculate their gains correctly, and report crypto in a dedicated section of the self-assessment return for the 2024 to 2025 tax year onwards. This guide explains how crypto tax in the UK works for the 2025 to 2026 tax year, the main HMRC rules, and what you can do to stay compliant while not overpaying tax. How HMRC taxes crypto in the UK. HMRC treats most crypto assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, tokens, NFTs, and many DeFi positions as property, not currency. This means two main UK taxes may apply. First, capital gains tax, or CGT. This applies when you dispose of crypto, for example, when you sell crypto for pounds, swap one token for another, spend crypto on goods or services, or gift crypto, unless it's to a spouse or civil partner. You pay CGT on the gain, not the total proceeds. So let's talk about income tax. This can actually apply when you receive crypto, for example, through staking or validator rewards, mining income, or even airdrops that are linked to services or promotions. And of course, if your salary or any freelancing work is paid in crypto, that counts too. The important thing to remember is that the GBP value on the date you receive the tokens is what gets taxed as income. Honestly, getting the split between capital and income right is one of the most important parts of UK crypto tax. Now moving on to the CGT allowance and rates for the 2025 to 2026 tax year. Each individual gets a £3,000 capital gains tax allowance, which is also called the annual exempt amount. If your total gains from crypto and other chargeable assets are below £3,000, you might not have to pay any CGT at all. But if your total gains go above that £3,000 threshold, you'll pay CGT on the amount over that allowance. CGT rates on crypto now depend on your income band and the date you dispose of your assets. For the 2025 to 2026 year, most non-residential crypto gains are taxed at 18% if you're in the basic rate band, or 24% if you fall into the higher and additional rate bands. And just a quick reminder, CGT is calculated on all your gains after losses, so using your losses effectively is actually key to minimizing your crypto tax here in the UK. So, income tax on crypto in the UK, let's talk about that for a moment. Where HMRC considers your crypto to be income, it's actually taxed under the income tax system, not under capital gains tax. Typical examples include things like staking rewards from exchanges, DeFi protocols or validators mining activities that are carried out with a view to profit, and referral bonuses or promotional token rewards linked to activity. Salary, bonuses or freelance fees paid in crypto also count. Now, all these amounts are added to your other income, like salary or self-employment income, and taxed at your marginal income tax rate, which for most people is either 20, 40 or 45%. In some cases, frequent and organized trading or mining might actually be considered a trade, which can have additional implications for expenses and national insurance. When do you need to report crypto tax in the UK? Well, you normally need to register for self-assessment and report your crypto if your total capital gains from crypto and other assets are above the capital gains tax allowance, which is £3,000, or if your proceeds, meaning your total disposals, exceed 4 times the allowance even if your gains are small. You also need to report if you have any crypto income that isn't already taxed through pay, or if HMRC sends you a tax return notice or a nudge letter about your crypto holdings. From the 2024 to 2025 tax year onwards, HMRC has actually added a dedicated crypto section to the capital gains pages, making it clear they expect more detailed reporting of digital assets. common crypto tax mistakes in the UK. Investors often make avoidable mistakes that increase their HMRC risk. For example, assuming crypto is tax-free until converted to pounds sterling, or ignoring swaps between tokens, which are actually disposals for capital gains tax. Not tracking DeFi transactions, liquidity pool entries and exits is another common pitfall. Losing historic CSVs and wallet records can be a real headache. Some folks even double count transfers between their own wallets as taxable disposals, and failing to report losses means they cannot be used in future years. Because crypto data can be spread across dozens of exchanges and wallets, these errors are honestly pretty easy to make without specialist tools. How to reduce your crypto tax UK bill legally. There are some key ways UK investors can legally manage their crypto tax, including using the £3,000 capital gains tax allowance each year where possible, reporting and carrying forward capital losses, and considering negligible value claims on worthless tokens. Timing disposals across different tax years can also make a difference. It's important to review whether your activity is capital or income to ensure the correct treatment. A tailored review can help identify opportunities that are specific to your situation. How mycryptotax helps with crypto tax in the UK. At mycryptotax, the focus is 100% on UK crypto tax. That means reconciling wallets, exchanges, NFTs and DeFi activity, calculating gains and income using HMRC-approved methods, and preparing self-assessment returns and supporting schedules. They also handle HMRC nudge letters, enquiries, and disclosures, plus provide ongoing tax planning as your crypto strategy evolves. If you need help with your crypto tax in the UK, expert support can save you time, stress, and potentially a significant amount in overpaid tax. Ready to get help with your crypto tax UK position? If you are unsure whether you have reported everything correctly or have never declared crypto before, now is honestly the ideal time to get organized. You can book your free crypto tax review at www.mycryptotax.co.uk, crypto tax review date, or give them a call at 020330211919. The website is www.mycryptotax.co.uk, and you can email info@mycryptotax.co.uk. Just remember, this article is for general information only and does not constitute tax or legal advice. Always seek personalized advice based on your circumstances.